TRADESAFE Lockout Tagout Plastic Hasps provide reliable, non-conductive isolation of energy sources during group lockout procedures. Secure switches, shafts, or other hard-to-reach equipment by threading the LOTO Hasp's flexible shackle through their lockout point. Each authorized worker attaches their own LOTO padlock to the hasp. When work is done, workers remove their locks one by one. The equipment can only restart after the last lock is removed from the hasp, ensuring a safe group lockout-tagout procedure. Engineered from high-grade, non-conductive polypropylene, these hasps eliminate the risk of electrical shock, providing superior safety and compliance. The Lockout Hasp is 3.5 inches long and 3/8 of an inch thick for reliable handling. Its 3-inch long shackle with a 5/32 diameter enables it to fit securely in tight spaces and narrow lockout points. Designed for group lockout, each hasp accommodates up to 6 padlocks with up to an 11/32 shackle diameter. An integrated warning label, "Danger, Locked Out, Do Not Remove," delivers clear, high-visibility hazard communication. This group lockout hasp is designed to exceed OSHA standards, reinforcing safety awareness and preventing unauthorized access. Built better, made stronger, perform every time.